Hello, this is Darren from BigPanda. Welcome to Getting Started with Collaboration and Sharing. Today we're going to talk about how you can share incidents from your BigPanda environment with ticketing, chat, notification, and orchestration systems. In this video, we will provide an overview of collaboration integrations, discuss the types of collaboration integrations, and demonstrate how to set up and configure collaboration for Slack and ServiceNow, and show you how to share your incidents through collaboration systems. First, let's discuss why collaboration matters. As we learned in the Getting Started overview video, BigPanda consolidates alerts from across all your IT systems and correlates these into actionable high-level incidents. Collaboration integrations allow you to share these incidents with other tools and teams to improve the incident management process. This sharing includes notifications, which provides increased visibility and awareness to ongoing issues by notifying teams that are impacted of an incident. Escalations, pulling in the right teams at the right time, will get incidents resolved faster and lower MTTR. And automations. By automating workflows, this improves process efficiency, allowing you to meet service availability SLAs. Now let's discuss collaboration and integration types. There are 4 common types of collaboration systems that BigPanda integrates with. These are on-call notification systems, which includes Opsgenie, Xmatters, and PagerDuty, chat tools such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Hangouts, ticketing or service desks such as Remedy, ServiceNow, and Jira, and orchestration tools like Rundeck, Ansible, and Stackstorm. BigPanda also provides a generic outbound webhook, which allows you to integrate your incidents with many other third-party tools leveraging webhooks. Now let's see how to set up a notification integration. Using BigPanda to send alert messages to team members through chat tools shortens the incident resolution time, creates transparency, and encourages communication between teams. In this example, we'll use Slack. The BigPanda Slack integration allows you to send alert messages to operations teams, engineers, and support groups through the Slack communications as they happen in real time. The Slack integration uses an HTTP post request with a JSON payload containing alert information to one or more Slack channels using the Slack incoming webhook. The integration will send notifications for new incidents as well as closed incidents, but you also have the option of manually sending messages containing pertinent incident updates. First, let's select the Integrations tab. This takes us to the Integrations page, which lists all the existing completed integrations that have been set up within your BigPanda platform. When selecting one of the integrations, we can see additional details for that integration such as the name, the app key, and daily quota. Quotas are applied to protect third-party tools and vendors from alert overload, and they can be adjusted based on your daily requirements. To create a new integration, we'll select the blue New Integration button at the top of the screen, where you will be presented with all the available out-of-the-box integrations. The Find Integration search box on the right allows you to quickly find an integration that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and configure the Slack integration. To create the integration, give your integration a name and generate the app key. The app key is a unique identifier that identifies each integration in your environment. Next, we'll need to add an incoming webhook to a new or existing Slack channel. We can access the Slack app directory by clicking here. Within our Slack workspace, we can create a new channel or select an existing channel that BigPanda will use to send notifications to. Let's use the existing operations channel. We select the Add Incoming Webhooks Integrations button. With the webhook added, we can now copy the new webhook URL and add it to the BigPanda Slack integration. We'll paste the Slack webhook URL and configure the Slack integration. We are now ready to share incidents with our team members through Slack. Let's head back to the incident view to test this out. From within any incident, we are now able to share the incident to the BigPanda Ops Slack channel. Select the incident to share and click Share. Now choose the Slack integration we just created and click Share. The incident is shared to the Slack channel, informing all members of the operations team of the issue. Later in this video, we'll discuss BigPanda auto share capabilities, which allow you to share incidents automatically with your collaboration tools. Let's go to the Slack channel and take a look at the shared incident. The Slack message contains a summary of the incident, the status of the incident, and a link to the incident details page. This is an out-of-the-box message, but it can be customized based on your needs. Click on the incident details page link to get quick access to detailed information for the incident, including the alert descriptions, impacted host, and embedded links. We'll now move on to a ticketing integration. As an example, we'll use ServiceNow Integration. Ticketing integrations automatically create tickets in the integrated solution, in our example ServiceNow, based on BigPanda incidents. Tickets are kept in sync between the two platforms, keeping incident responders up to date with all relevant information, regardless of the platform they use to resolve issues. In this section, we'll walk through the setup of a bidirectional integration and configure an auto share to have ServiceNow tickets automatically created without user intervention. To better understand how the ServiceNow integration works, let's review the incident lifecycle from the monitoring tools all the way to ticket creation within ServiceNow. As issues are detected by your monitoring tools, alerts are sent to BigPanda for processing by one of the many out-of-the-box integrations. The alerts are then normalized and enriched, adding contextual information for improved correlation, incident investigation, and incident management. Then, the alerts are correlated to high-level BigPanda incidents using BigPanda's open box machine learning. Correlated incidents will then flow to one or more environments based on conditions defined for each environment. When an auto share has been configured for an environment, BigPanda will automatically share the incident when arriving in that environment, in this case to ServiceNow, where a ticket or incident will be created automatically. As updates to the ServiceNow incident are made, the changes are pushed back to BigPanda and the two systems are kept in sync. Now let's go set up the integration. To create the integration, we'll select the Integration tab and select New Integration. We search for ServiceNow and select Integrate. We now give the integration a name and generate our app key. Let's copy and save this app key into a text file. We'll need it later when we configure ServiceNow. In this file, we also have the bearer token and the API key. The bearer token is a unique token that identifies your BigPanda instance. If you do not have your bearer token, you can access it by viewing one of the existing alert integrations. The API key allows you to securely authenticate calls to the BigPanda public API. The API key is created accessing the API key management page. The next step is to install the BigPanda application from the ServiceNow App Store. To access the ServiceNow App Store, click here. Now simply select Get to install the BigPanda app into your ServiceNow environment. Now let's head over to ServiceNow. Once the app is installed, you can access it from your ServiceNow instance by searching for BigPanda. The BigPanda app contains 3 separate modules, one for incident integration, one for change integration, and another for CMDB integration. In this video, we will focus on the incident integration. To configure ServiceNow to work with your BigPanda instance, select Configuration. Now we go back to the text file and copy and paste our bearer token, our API key, and the integration app key. We will enable the incident integration by checking the active box. We have the option to customize the behavior of the integration and how BigPanda and ServiceNow will work together, but for this demo, we will go with the default settings. We now press Submit, and the integration is done. Let's head back to the BigPanda platform and finalize the integration. We will need to enter the URL of the ServiceNow instance, a username, and a password. Click Configure ServiceNow and we're done. We are now ready to create tickets in ServiceNow from our correlated alerts. To improve the incident management process, we can automate the creation of tickets for high priority incidents. To do this, we need to create an auto share rule that allows us to automatically share all BigPanda incidents that are part of a specific environment. To create a new auto share, we'll go to the cogwheel menu, select Auto Share, and click Create Auto Share. We now choose the environment from which to implement the auto share, and then select the ServiceNow escalation path. We click Next and then Create. With this auto share now enabled, any incident in the P0 to P1 high priority environment will be automatically shared to ServiceNow and a ticket will be created. Let's take a look at the auto share in action. To do this, we'll return to the Incidents tab, go to the P0 P1 environment, and watch as some new alerts come into BigPanda. These alerts are correlated into a high priority incident, which is then shared automatically to ServiceNow where a ticket is created. By clicking the incident comments, we can view the ticket number and a link to the ticket for quick access. Now that you're familiar with collaboration and sharing, please feel free to browse our other self-service videos for more information. We want you to be successful in your BigPanda journey, so if at any point you need help, please reach out to our support team via the in-app chat. And don't forget about our online documentation at docs.bigpanda.io. Thank you for watching.